What's up, guys? It's Khan here, TJRD. Today we are going to get my coilover fixed because next week there is a car meet in Pattaya.
Continue for 2 kilometers.
It's kind of a big car meet, and I'll take my car to park there. I want to prepare this car for the drive to Pattaya and also for the parking in the car meet. I'll get my coilover fixed because right now I feel like there is 1 or 2 struts that are dead. A dead strut means that the strut doesn't move. So it's a dead strut. It's about 50-minute drive from here. Many of you might think, oh God, why don't you fix it yourself? Firstly, I don't have the tools to do it. So it will be cheaper for me to go to a professional that fix it all the time than buying all the tools and learning from YouTube how to fix it. Plus the labor cost here in Thailand is very cheap. Much better to let the professional fix it. Let's go. Okay guys, just done from fixing the coilovers. It was pretty cheap compared to like other countries. It was around $200 to fix all 4 coilovers. So I think it's pretty cheap. The ride quality is very good. Feels like I just installed a new coilover. Next we are going to install an extra ground wire because I feel like this car doesn't have enough ground wire to operate the whole car. We're going to another shop that will install that for us. Turns out the ground cable I bought from a BMW part shop wasn't a ground cable, it was in fact a positive cable, so I had to stop at another shop to get the positive terminal replaced with the ground terminal. At this point you might be wondering why I am not in my car. Well, you'll find out soon. Okay, so this is day 2 of trying to fix my car before going to the Pattaya event. So yesterday the car had an unexpected problem. On our trip back from ground rewiring shop, the fuel pump decided to go bad and whine a lot, very loud. I'll insert a clip for you to listen. Yes, so today we have to fix that problem. And we are going to another shop, to let them see what's the problem and hopefully fix it before going to Pattaya.
I got a new haircut.
Yes, firstly I got a new haircut, and the past couple of days were very tiring. I'll show you every clip I recorded. At first I was gonna go fix my coilovers, then install the ground wires, and then that's it. That was supposed to be like a 1-day thing. But this car decided it wants problems. Yeah, so on our way back from the ground wiring installation, the fuel pump decided to fail and whine very loud. But at first I didn't think that the fuel pump was gonna fail, because I just changed the fuel pump like 8 months ago. So at the time I didn't know what the problem is. I thought it was like some rust in the fuel tank or something that makes the fuel pump whine. But after some digging and multiple days, I found out that the fuel pump failed again. Yeah, so I had to change the fuel pump, and she's running great again, and hope everything is fine. I hope you guys enjoy the next video, and please subscribe. Thank you.